In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add logos to all slides in PowerPoint. By the end, you'll place your logo once and have it show up automatically on every slide, saving time and keeping your presentation consistent and professional. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint and load the presentation you want to update. With your file open, we'll switch into the special editing mode that controls the overall look of your slides. Go to the View tab on the ribbon and choose Slide Master. This view lets you make changes that flow through the entire deck. On the left, you'll see a list of large and small thumbnails. Click the very top, largest thumbnail. That's the main Slide Master, and it's the one that controls the default look for all the layouts beneath it. Editing here ensures the logo appears across your presentation without placing it on each slide manually. Now let's add the logo. Go to the Insert tab, select Pictures, then choose this device. Browse to your logo file, select it, and click Insert. PNG files are a great choice because they support transparent backgrounds and usually look crisp on different slide colors. Once the logo appears on the master, resize it by dragging the corner handles so it scales proportionally and stays sharp. Then drag it to the exact spot you want. A corner placement, top right or bottom right, is a common and polished choice. Keep it consistent and leave a little margin from the edges so it doesn't feel cramped or get too close to slide numbers or other elements. Aim for a size that's visible but not distracting so your content stays the focus. Because you place the logo on the main slide master, it will automatically appear on all slides that use these layouts. If you have a few slides where the logo seems to be missing, switch back into Slide Master view and check the individual layouts underneath the main master. Some templates use unique layouts that may need the logo present there as well. When you're done, click the Slide Master tab and choose Close Master View. Return to your presentation and flip through your slides to confirm the logo shows up consistently. This quick review helps you catch any overlap with titles, footers, or graphics and make small size or position tweaks if needed. That's it, your logo is now applied across the entire presentation. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.